Don't got it. I want it. Don't got it. I want it. I got it!
Gassed up shorty, said I need about 40. Pull up to the party, yeah, yeah, yeah. Gassed up shorty, said I.
Send this to your favorite cousin. Just a moment, cousin.
Hola!
My brother rates my fidgets. Color changing neatos. Rate out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Normal neato.
9 out of 10.
Pop it.
10 out of 10.
Simple dimple.
6 out of 10.
Globbies.
7.5.
My favorite ASMR pod.
9.5.
Splat balls.
7 out of 10.
ASMR bar.
6 out of 10.
Monkey noodle.
3 out of 10.
Mochi.
8 out of 10.
Crystal stress ball.
7 out of 10.
Homemade snapper.
7 out of 10.
Strawberry squishy.
7 out of 10.
Slime.
10 out of 10.
We'll make a second part if this gets 200 likes.
Cutting some of my fidgets out.
Michael Jackson, I'ma beat it. Game undefeated. She look good in that bikini, but the winter time my favorite season.
Front of waist over 9 inches.
Child. Anyway, so.
It be. You brings the corsets, Bill brings his inches. No one wants a waist over 9 inches.
Fidgets I regret buying. First up is this water timer. I'm just not the biggest fan of this fidget and I don't really use it very much. It is cool to look at, but if I had known before, I probably wouldn't have bought this. The next fidget I regret buying is this puzzle ball. It's just a very loud fidget and it's very different in person than I thought it would be. When I saw videos about this, it looked way cooler, so that's why I bought it. It has a yellow sponge inside, but if you like puzzles, you might enjoy this fidget more than I do. Up next, I have these ASMR pods. You can find these at Walmart for $10 for a 2-pack, but they are just so expensive for what you get inside. I personally just don't think it's worth it. I actually do like the noises that they make, I just don't think that each of these pods is worth $5 each. Last fidgets I regret buying are these stress balls, and that's only because they're just really hard to squish. I would much rather have a Neato than a stress ball. Bye!
Yeah, your fidget toy collection probably is bigger than mine, but mine's growing. I only have about 4. Looks like I'm about to get paid.
Friends, and it went like this, and it went like this, and it went like this,
Brand new fidgets. Fidget phone. Glow in the dark Neato. Lollipopter. Ramen noodles. Wacky crap. Balloon dog.
Send your location, cause damn, Papa, you ready. No comparing, and it's motherfucking scary. Trying to keep him cause I found him. Little hold me, I ain't motherfucking sharing.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Trading fidgets, part 2. Nemo, pea popper. Any offers?
Homemade fidgety things.
What the fuck? This is just a bag of water. Add, dumbass.
Tangle chain.
Oh, that's actually pretty rare. I'll take that just because your brother died. Ah, stupid bitch!
Offering Rubik's Cube and Elmo.
That's a troll.
Offering Rubik's Cube and Troll.
DNA ball.
That's a deal.
Trading rare homemade fidgety thing.
Hey. But I made that.
Add bitch.
Kid Squish.
More.
No deal.
Your loss. 10 likes for part 3.
I found this under my car seat. I wanna know if I can clean my car with it. It looks like shaving cream. It looks like ice cream. Doesn't look like it's gonna work. Let's add some glue. Now let's add some baking soda. Just a pinch of it. Let's use some borax solution. We'll pour some here and some here. Gather it all up and stir it up. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's very sticky. So look, check it out. It worked. This one makes noise though. See? Check it out. So yeah, pretty cool, but I can still reuse this. Place it back inside. There you go. Just like new.
I sit by myself, talking to the moon. You should know. You give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so. What you been up to, Aiden? Yo, I've been dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek, cutting candy skies like I'm stuck in a.
I hate to tell you, but it just won't happen. So thanks, but no, I think I'm good to go. Cause I quite enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. Now I admire you, and that'll show you do. You're onto something, really it's something.
Oh my god, my nails. Please be careful. I want my nails to file now. Oh my god.